What's up, 2007 Camry top motor mount, otherwise known as a dog bone mount. It's this one right over here. You could definitely replace this in the driveway. You don't have to jack up the engine or nothing. It's just these 3 bolts. These are 14mm bolts. There's one right here as well. You could just take this off with the engine sitting in place. It's really easy. First, you get this front bolt off. Like I said, it's a 14mm. Just go ahead and undo it here. And this one and the one behind it are the same size bolts, so you could just put these somewhere for the moment. We will reuse them. And that one right there, also, that's the same size one, so just get that out too. I use an extension, kind of made it easier in a deep socket. Alright, so I got that out, and then this one up here is a 14mm as well. This one's different from the other two. It's longer, and once you get this out, you'll be able to literally just pull this mount right out. So I got that out, and then as you can see, I can just wiggle it out, no problem. And I got my new one here. This is from a dealership. There's my part number. They call it the rod subassembly. So here's what it looks like. You can probably get these aftermarket. Mine's from the dealer. So go ahead and put this in here. I believe it can only go one way, so you can't mess it up. It's dummy proof. So get this in here, just like that, and I just kind of hand threaded each one in to make sure that they all will fit. Go ahead and do this one here. Once you get them all hand threaded in, then you can go around and tighten them down. I'll put the torque specs in the description if I can get them, but just tighten them down as much as you can. Well, I shouldn't say that. Like, just get them tight, and then maybe do like a quarter turn more. Like I said, I'll try to get the torque specs in the description. And yeah, so I had to use an extension on the back one, and that's it, guys. Hopefully this video helped you out. Thanks for watching.